This video is sponsored by Tokyo Tree and Sakura Co. Quick 15-minute journey to Osaka from Kyoto. Very random. We're going at like 300 kilometers an hour. Just Japan things.
The lungfish calls you brother, and I guess that we should too. Hope to see you round up.
What's this?
Changed much. Fix what isn't wrong. Hope to see you round up. See again.
It's way too early right now, but we're going to Universal Studios today. I'm actually quite excited. I'm so tired and I kind of hate myself for making us do this. For getting here early.
This is the benefit of getting here early. This is the benefit?
This would be, I think, even worse if you weren't here early.
So I'm glad we're here early,
I am
don't get me
afraid,
wrong,
though, a little bit.
But I've got my skill set for pulling vegetables well. I'm your best bet. I need a cough drop for my very sore throat. But I'm not a hero, I am only a toad. I'm not a hero, I am only a toad. My brethren have worked for you for years. And toads, we always do what we've been told. But maybe we shouldn't be some fun guys anymore. Maybe it's time to revolt, but we won't, cause I'm not a hero, I am only a toad. I'm not a hero, I am only a toad.
We were up there and we're somehow still alive.
We didn't die.
We also waited 2.5 hours in line for that.
For like 3 minutes.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was good.
We've been on the big boy ride now. We can take it off.
Well, I'm not a hero, I am only a toad. Well, I'm not a hero, I am only a toad. Well, I'm not a hero, I am only a toad. I'm not a hero, I am only a toad.
Just sweet popcorn with a creme brulee taste. I'm happy about it.
How many pieces are good?
They are. Success. Oh my god, you look adorable.
I'm gonna buy it. I forgot how much I used to love Elmo.
I made a mistake.
We both made a mistake.
We went on the Jurassic Park one.
At
did
like 6 p.m. when it's like dark and cold.
There's no sun. We also went in single riders, which meant that we got placed randomly and I happened to be placed in the front row. Hence, I feel so drenched. We're gonna find somewhere to sit down and
Wait for Super Mario.
wait for Super Mario and rethink our line choices. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. Time to try some snacks. Thank you once again to Tokyo Tree and Sakura Co for sponsoring this video. Tokyo Tree is a monthly snack subscription box filled with a variety of exclusive, limited edition snacks sent to you straight from Japan. This month, Tokyo Tree's theme is Be My Valentine. Love is in the air, and in this month's snack box, filled with Valentine's Day treats like the strawberry shortcake Kit Kat, Pokemon candy hearts, pita colada spicy ramen, and many more. So according to the booklet, Valentine's Day in Japan is actually very much about chocolate, and so I am obviously going to try the latte dark chocolates. I actually used to not really like dark chocolates. Hey guys, it's chocolate. Latte always delivers. Next up, we have these Pokemon. They're almost like love hearts. They look like love hearts anyway. Oh look, I have a little Pikachu. They don't taste like love hearts, but they taste like sweets. Palate cleanser. Ooh, I was expecting it to be fizzy, and it's not. But that's not a bad thing. And the last thing I want to try is these tomato crisps, chips. I'm in Canada now, people say chips. I'm trying my hardest to maintain my crisps, but it's actually quite funny because a staple in Canada is like ketchup chips, crisps, chips, and so I've tasted ketchup chips. I'm intrigued as to how the tomato chips are gonna compare. Oh my god, I'm gonna get kicked out of Canada for saying this, but I actually prefer these to the ketchup chips. I think this is a sign that I need to move to Japan next.
Sakura-ko is an authentic Japanese experience in the shape of a monthly snack subscription box full of artisan tasty treats that support local businesses in Japan. This month's theme is Valentine's Indulgence, and in honor of this special day, Sakura-ko are bringing you new flavors and treats such as the peach dorayaki, chocolate Danish, and some adorable mini heart dorare.
Can I just say, the design on these boxes, I mean, who's coming up with this? That it's amazing. Are you kidding me? You have a chocolate Danish? When I was in Japan, I just loved going to Japanese bakeries and like Japanese baked goods. There's something about them, they're just so fluffy. I don't know how they do it. This thing has traveled from Japan and it's so fluffy. The next thing I'm excited to try is these mini heart arare. Look how cute these are. No! This is why I'm single. It's not, I'm single by choice, but I still enjoy Valentine's Day. So tiny. Oh my god. Once again, here I go, expecting these to be like sweet. They're not sweet. Coco sencha tea. Oh, it's made from cacao husk from Costa Rica. I'm expecting it to be chocolatey. Ooh. I think this one's actually my favorite out of the ones that I've tried so far. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna blind react to the item. Each Sakura-ko box always contains an item, and I haven't actually looked at what this month is yet. It's another dish. Oh, so it's one of two plates that you can get this month. This is the Kiko plate, but you can also get the Firefly plate. And so somewhere out there is someone who received the Firefly plate while I have the corresponding Kiko plate. That's actually really sweet. Thank you again to Tokyo Treat and Sakura-ko for sponsoring these videos. It's been such a pleasure just getting to savor all these treats and try everything out, and it truly has transported me back to Japan. Don't forget to use my code TEAMARIE at checkout to receive $5 off your first Sakura-ko or Tokyo Treat box. The links are all in the description. Thank you again to today's sponsors, and now let's head back to Super Nintendo World.
Quite uncomfortable because I'm cold, but I'm willing to push through for Mario.
For Mario.
And our boy Waluigi.
Yeah, this is all for Waluigi.
This is all for Waluigi.
All for Waluigi.
We're just here for Waluigi. Wow!
This is the reason we came! And it's like,
Look! We made it! bento box at Osaka station and eating on the Shinkansen.
I'm gonna try it, we'll rate it.
Very excited.
robots slash dinosaurs
Slash a lady that I called him face.
because we're early. Oh, that's not what I was expecting.
Is it good?
It is. It tastes kind of like, you know, like cola flavored sweets. It tastes kind of like that.
They're not actual Coke, but
No.
rather like Coke syrup.
We got Starbucks because we tried to go to a 3D latte place.
Travelled to Osaka for 3 lattes and they turned us away because they were full, but like they weren't. It was all very confusing. We didn't blame the lady. She was very nice.
Also, we're in Tokyo.
We're in Tokyo.
We have a flight tomorrow morning, so we're in Tokyo for the afternoon, and we're heading to a temple.
One that was actually on our list that we
One,
didn't hit.
yeah.
When we were here 2.5 weeks ago.
Oh my god. We're gonna probably, hopefully hit it and see the sunset and maybe some cherry blossoms, sit with our Starbucks and try not to cry ourselves to
About not having a Totoro or no face latte.
Cherry blossoms!
Like actual cherry blossoms.
Final metro in Tokyo.
Final time using Pasmo. Pasmo's been our other staple.
That's
We
it.
love our Pasmo.
Last 7-Eleven trip. The final one. We're here to get snacks.
They don't have my peach one, but they've got the strawberries, custard and whipped cream.
Okay.
The thick ones?
Yeah, those are the big ones.
These are our staple.
Oh, we love them so much.
This was the biggest constant in our lives over the last month.
The one true thing in our lives has been blueberry yogurts. I'm gonna miss you. The hardest time finding the station. We had to go down 3 different stations to try and find the Osaka line.
But at the pedestrian crossing, like the third one, this like couple and another family member, they like overheard us and helped us.
They were like, "Where are you going?" You were like, "Osaka line," and they were like, "Oh, it's this way," and like showed
And then
us.
they like walked it with us.
It was so nice. Nice little send off.
They asked where we were from and they were so excited.
They were so excited that we
They
were
were like, you guys are in Japan, it's so
beautiful.
Everyone and their mother has an early flight today. This shuttle is so full. They had to use the like extra middle seats. Poor Europeans.
車内での携帯電話のご使用は他のお客様のご迷惑になりますので、マナーモード設定の上、通話はご遠慮
Sophie's very excited. Got Gelatoni. This is Gelatoni's first flight. Ah, they will. They'll exchange stories. Oh my god, it's our plane. And we're gonna be on this plane for the next 14 hours.
Officially leaving Japan.
Again, I can't believe that.
Yeah.
I'm not believing it yet. It hasn't sunk in, but I'm also just so ready to sit down for 14 hours, to be honest. Where is the number?
With me on the flight deck, and that's why the aircraft we have on the first.
See, isn't it a while that we've been there? Yeah. You find Matsumoto on it? We love Matsumoto.
Sorry, that's the millennial.
Oh, you gotta be a Gen Zer. It's the Korean one. Somewhere over the Pacific Ocean now, apparently.
We're going to cross what? Are we crossing each
The
side?
date line. Crossing the date line, that's so cool.
Didn't know that was a thing, but
It
now I'm
is.
doing it.
I'm very excited. Flying over Greenland and we're dying. We're not happy. We're about to watch Twilight.
Eclipse.
We have like what? An hour and a half left? Yeah. And we just got fed, which is really good. We're getting fed.
Very warm welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. The local time here is 3 in the afternoon.
It's also past midnight in Tokyo and like 3 p.m. in the UK, and so truly my brain has no idea what time it is.
Oh, it's so bright.
Oh no!
Oh, the brightness is really hitting my
Oh, it's because it's meant to be 1 a.m.
On behalf of all of us on board and British Airways, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and a very good afternoon to you all.